keeping our home clean every day is really hard. We already have enough with cooking, doing the dishes, making the beds, and taking care of everything else. That's why today I want to show you 7 tips that will help you to keep your home cleaner throughout the week or throughout the days between cleaning. And my first tip is to have a shoes off policy. And I have to tell you that since we started this policy, it really has helped to keep our floors cleaner throughout the days. It is very important that as soon as you get home, you take off your shoes, so that way you don't bring the dirt from outside into your floor. Especially during the winter, because of the rain boots or snow boots, we don't leave all those tracks on your floor. So I think it's a great idea for you to take your shoes off as soon as you get home. My second tip is to have a home for everything. When you do the dishes, for example, you know exactly where everything goes. You know where the coffee mugs go or where the dishes go and everything. So the same policy or the same rule you have to apply for absolutely everything else that is in your home. Most of the time, what doesn't have a home ends up in a junk drawer. And what happens is that when you go to the junk drawer because you think you're going to find something, but it's really impossible to find something if in one drawer you have tools, or you have knives, or you have barbecue tools, or you know what I mean? You cannot have a drawer mixed up with everything because you need to have a specific place for everything. My third tip is to declutter or get rid of things that you don't need. And this is very important because you don't want to have or you don't want to hold to something that is taking a huge amount of space. Even if it's huge or small, it is taking an amount of space that you may use for something else that you really need to have in your home. So I would recommend to go through your home and go by categories. For example, go through everything that you have in the kitchen, go to the pantry, go to the refrigerator for the food in the refrigerator, or go through everything and get rid of things that you don't need. Get rid of clothes that you're not wearing anymore. Go to the medicine cabinet and get rid of old and expired medicine, makeup and skincare products that you don't use anymore. Everything that you don't use is taking a huge amount of space for your home and is taking the space that you may need to use in something else. My fourth tip is to have a cleaning kit handy. You can have a cleaning kit under the kitchen sink or in the closet with the vacuum. Whatever you have everything compiled in one space. So it'll be easier for you to just grab what you need and clean as you go. I would suggest that you have a disinfectant and a roll of paper towel in your bathroom so you can give a clean touch-up every time you need to. My fifth tip is to clean as you go. And by this, I don't mean to go crazy and clean everything as it gets dirty. I don't want you to think about it all the time. What I'm telling you is to clean as you go. For example, if you're cooking and something spills, why don't you take care of it right away? Because if you let it dry, then the next day is going to be so hard to get rid of that stain or that spill because it's completely dry, and then you have to scrape it and it will take you longer to get rid of that stain. My sixth tip is to keep your countertops and all surfaces as clean and as clear as you can. For example, I have here only what I need. I have there a vase with all the utensils that I need to cook because I don't have drawers to store them. But if I did have drawers, I would probably put it in the drawer so I don't have it outside and I would have more space to cook. So same thing for the bathrooms, for the night table, for your desk. Try to have as much space as you can so that way it's much easier to clean it. The more clutter you have on surfaces, the harder it is to clean and when it gets harder to clean, most likely we're not going to clean it. So it'll end up getting super dirty, and then it's going to be super overwhelming. So try to have all of the surfaces as clear as you can. And my 7th tip is to make your bed every single day, and I cannot address this enough. Studies have shown that when you make your bed every day, it will turn out in a more productive day and a more successful day. So if you make your bed every day, it will be a better day for you. That is proven. Also, when you make your bed, because the bed is the biggest surface on your bedroom, what happens is that everything looks nice and tidy. And on the other side, when you don't make your bed, the whole space looks dirty and unorganized, and it just doesn't look good. I've made 2 videos on how to make your bed. I'm gonna put the links down below for you to check them out. One is how to make your bed from the beginning when you change the sheets. And the second video is about how to make your bed under 2 minutes when you are in a rush. And that's it. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share with all your friends. And I will see you very soon with another video.